Hello and welcome to you. You want to observe a chat for doing a game or for observing data of a chat that is on Twitch. I did an option here that allow you to extract those data. So um, this option is called Restream. So you have Restream Unity Core that allow you to have those data in Unity and manage them. And you have Rehack Relay, that is a Selenium application that allow you to see a lot of chat from Restream chat, or see the chat of Twitch extracted from the HTML. That is the one I'm showing you for now. So you can find it here, then go Selenium chat. So what it look like, you have a JSON like this where you will be able to fill information, but basically when you launch it, here you say, okay, those information are stored here. If you want to modify it, is it the link you want to use because I configure before the IP I want to send and the port I want to send the message, I will find. Say, yeah, this is the one I want to observe. So he says, yeah, okay. So now he launched Selenium. And as you will be able to see here, we'll have the chat here. So we have the chat over there of the guy playing Valorant. And here we have the message that are found by the software. I'm not using the in this version. It's just taking the text and not the image and stuff like this, because I just want the text here. And as you can see, we have plenty of people reacting. So cool. So now if I go in Unity and press play, as I sent by UDP the message, Unity is listening to the port in the JSON file. And as you can see, we have people here talking, and you can do stuff like seeing here who is interacting recently, how many people are in the chat talking, and stuff like this, just by extracting those data. So it's not coming from the Twitch API, it's just Selenium that read the HTML in what he got and try to extract those data. And yeah, basically that can be useful to a lot of people. So that's why I'm telling you on this video that you can fetch key code online. The code is very, very, very dirty. So don't expect too much of the code, but you can change yourself the code if you want. It's just to show that you can do it in this way. For example, here how I'm doing it is just that I'm taking the HTML here and I say, can you find all the items that look like message? And how I do that, I say, okay, find the data a user in the HTML, split that by plenty of small piece of code, okay? And then when it's done, I extract those data, and here I say, if it's the data user, so if there is a token data user, then it's okay. And if there is a message in it, it's okay. And then I extract the text, I extract the name. Like this, I have plenty of user talking in the HTML. And I have another class that is called here new message observer, that here will check what kind of what message are new compared to the previous one. So apparently Twitch, you have 150 message max in the chat. So if there would be 100 people talking at the same time every second, then maybe you will lose some data. But here it's not happening in a very, very large stream, so I suppose it won't happen to you. And so, yeah, hope it can be useful to you. Feel free to take the code and do whatever you want with it. And have a great day. Ciao, ciao.